Today, you guys get to play a game with addition and subtraction. The first thing I need you to do is go find the 10 objects that we've used in our Zoom lessons to add and subtract. So you can find any 10 objects that are the same. I'm using these Apple smiley face erasers. Pause your video to go find 10 of the same thing. When you're done watching the video, you will be using those objects to fill out a game sheet that looks just like this, where you will make 5 addition problems and 5 subtraction problems. I've already written one addition problem down, so I'm going to show you how you can build that and the steps you're going to follow in order to show your different addition problems. So for my first problem that I wrote down, I have 5 plus 2 equals 7. So I'm starting with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in my first group. In my second group, I have 2. So I have 5 plus 2 equals, to get my 7, I have to put my groups together and count how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's start from the beginning and make new groups, because you get to choose how many objects you put in each group each time. So this time let's just start with how many I already have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are in my first group. My second group has 1. To find out my sum, I put my two groups together and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is my sum. We'll practice one more addition and then we'll move on to subtraction. So again, you're going to decide how many objects you want in each group. So this time, I only want 2 in my first group. And then I'm going to write that on the first line. In my second group, I want 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write that on the second line. To find out my total or my sum, I'm going to put the groups together and count how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my total is 5. On the other side of your paper, you're going to be building subtraction problems. So in order to do this, you're going to write down how many objects you're starting with. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to take some away. So I'm going to take away 1. So 5 minus 1. To find my total, I'm going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now I get to choose a different number to be my whole, or the number that comes first. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this time. So I'll start with 6. And I want to take away 3 of them. And I've got to see how many are left. So I have 1, 2, 3 that I took away, and 3 that are left. For my last one that I'm going to do, I'm going to start with only 3. And I'm going to take away 1 of them. And I have 2 left over. So today you're going to play this same game with your objects. You're going to build 5 addition problems by making 2 separate groups and putting them together to find the sum, and make 5 subtraction problems by starting with the whole, taking part away, and seeing how many are left.